Why is my forehead so big? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, how are you today? And if you're new here, hi, my name is Gigi, and today I'm going to be attempting to turn myself into a Negro with these cute space buns. Well, they weren't space buns before. They were ponytails, and then I decided to do them as space buns. Besides the point. So yeah, it's my attempt. I think the Negro makeup is really cute. Really cute, and I wanted to try it out for myself. It might not be my everyday aesthetic, but I think it's so adorable. And some of the girls that do this look, they're so beautiful. Very jealous. Wish I could pull this makeup off as an everyday look like they can. But yeah, so if you want to see me attempt to do this, what products I used, what I did, then please keep on watching.
Feel my heart, it's beating. Oh, my body's breathing, it's just you and me.
Start off this look, I already have my pigtails in, because that's an essential for this look. And to start off my makeup, I'm going to do primer, because as Nikki says, to not prime is a crime. By the way, I already have my eyebrows done like I always do. Because I always do them off camera because I feel like watching someone do their brows is a little bit tedious. But if anyone's interested in how the way I do my eyebrows, which is not that hard, let me know. I will do it.
Feel my heart, it's beating. Oh, my body's breathing.
Right, and for foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 118.
It's just you and me. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. 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 I'm so caught in this, we're so.
Now I'm just going to conceal a little bit under my eyes and a bit on my nose and my forehead using the Smashbox 24-hour concealer.
Deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall.
Clean Mary, learning all about its hauntings from my incredible guide and having experiences of my own. For today's video, I wanted to give you guys the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity of heading into all haunted corners of Queen Mary and hearing the story straight from my guide. Oh, and the word of the day is why.
So I'm going to go ahead and use the Kylie Cosmetics Translucent Powder. This is one of my favorite powders. Still looking for one that could, a new one to try because I always use this one. I heard great things about the Anastasia one, so I'm definitely going to have to try that one out.
It's beating. Oh, my body's breathing. It's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beating. Oh, my body's breathing. It's just you and me. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost.
So while my face is baking, I'm going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Dipbrow Gel and just finish up my brows. really need to get my eyebrows done. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it off now that it's been sitting for a minute. And usually, since, you know, when I didn't do my eyebrows before everything, that would be the time that I do my eyebrows, but now I just prefer doing my eyebrows before I do the rest of my face. Which is weird, I know, but it's preference. Makeup is all preference of whatever you want to do, however you want to do it. Okay, now that our face is set with powder, we're going to contour a little bit, just so our face isn't so one-dimensional. And I'm going to be using a product that I recently got. It's by the Pacifica. It's the Brandt Rose Bronze and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer. It's a duo right here. This is the blush, this is the bronzer, and we're going to be using both of them. I'm using a small contour brush. I mean, it's very light. It's okay. I don't need too much bronzer. I feel like I'm not seeing anything. Okay. I did not like that bronzer. So we're gonna go ahead and go into our cheek leader powder. I'm gonna go ahead and use my cheek leader palette by Benefit, and I'm gonna go in with Hoola. Much better.
Deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost. Deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. Let's free fall.
Okay, so since I didn't like the bronzer, let's go ahead and see if the blush is any better. Let's see. And since I'm doing an e-girl look, blush is really important because they take their blush right up to their eyes and also on the nose, like really concentrated on the nose. So let's see. I mean, with the blush, I can kind of see it in person, but it's not picking up well on camera. So let's use another one. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the Kylie Cosmetics Blush in We're Going Shopping. This one has much better pigmentation.
Let's free fall. Let's free fall. Let's free fall. I'm so
Kind of looks like I have a runny nose. But this is how the style is worn. No judgment there. Taking it really close to the eyes. Okay, so the palette I'm going to use is NORVINA by Anastasia, and I'm first going to go in with the color Love and just apply that over my eye. Usually the girls don't go too crazy on the eyes, so I'm going to try to keep it really simple. It's supposed to be very cute and girly, with very thick, nice long liner. And a good thing, since this color is really pink, if it falls on your face, you can just blend it in with your blush.
feel my heart, it's beating. All my body's breathing. It's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's
a little bit of that color Passion. It's a deeper color. It's like a deep red color, just to give my eye a little bit more dimension. And just keep that in my outer V.
Deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost. Deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. Let's free fall. Let's free fall. Let's free fall. Let's free fall.
So I'm going to keep this look very matte and not add any glitter or sparkles to it. Looks kind of crazy, but we're not done yet. So I'm going to go ahead and do my liner, pop on some lashes, and then we're going to come back to finish everything. Be right back. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take that shade Passion and just apply it right under my lower lash line. I don't want to use the other pink color because then it'll be too pink and will just blend in with the blush. Okay, so now we're just going to tightline with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my mascara from Revlon. Just apply it on my lower lash line as well.
In my heart it's beating, on my body's breathing, it's just you and me.
So now for highlight, I'm going to go ahead and use the OFRA Cosmetics highlight in the color Star Island.
Heart it's beating, on my body's breathing, it's just you and me. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost. Deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost. Deep in it, can't stop.
So now I'm going to go ahead back into my eyeliner and use the point where it has a star and just apply it right near my eye. Like that. I'm doing the other side too. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use the Kylie Cosmetics Iced Latte Lip Liner.
I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. Let's free fall. Let's free fall.
Now I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in the color Butterscotch.
Let's free fall.
And now I'm just going to put an extra gloss on top. Maybe space buns are better. So I did the space buns. Well, my version of it. I cheated. Tie it up and then tie it again. But I feel like these lips need a little bit more color. Like a tiny bit of more pink. So let's see what I can do.
Let's free fall. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost. Deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall.
So to make the center corners of my lips a little more pinker, and everything else is about to have more pink. I use this water tint by Pore and stain my finger. I'm sure it'll come off eventually. So to finish everything off, I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And now, cue the montage. And this is the final look, guys, right here. I hope you enjoyed today's video in my attempt to turn myself into an e-girl. Let me know if I failed or I succeeded. If anyone has any tips, let me know to make this better, because I think the e-girl makeup is super cute. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so you never miss a video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Wow, that really stained my finger. Just look at it. Bing, bing, boing, bing, 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 boing, 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 bing. I'll stop. Boing, boing. Oh, I'm itchy. You can't touch me. I'm so itchy. It's falling apart.